Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the management of the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James is reporting a reduction in the number of COVID-19 patients admitted at the facility. Clinical coordinator Dr. Delroy Frey says the hospital has also seen a major reduction in occupied bed spaces when compared to last month. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Cornwall Regional Hospital was one of the first hospitals in the island to announce that its COVID-19 ward was full in February. But in an interview with our news team on Friday, clinical coordinator Dr. Delroy Frey said the pressure has eased.
2 to 3 weeks ago, we used to run about 55 to 65 patients. This morning, we have 28 COVID patients in hospital. 22 positive with 6 suspected cases, so I put it at 28. We also noticed that our bed occupancy has also improved a great deal.
The hospital has an overall bed capacity of over 300, and Dr. Frey says 265 are currently occupied. In a previous interview, he noted that treating COVID-19 cases and other services offered at the facility were putting a strain on staff.
We can breathe a little easier. We are able to manage our patients. Still a bit tough, but in a more comfortable setting.
There has been a raging debate about the effectiveness of the weekend lockdowns recently imposed by the government. We asked Dr. Frey whether the reduction in COVID-19 hospitalizations could be attributed to the measures.
I don't think. When you reflect on, 3-4 weeks ago and compare to now, something must have worked. And the only thing I could account that to is the lockdown. So I believe it's working, and it's working very well.
But COVID hospitalization and bed space were not the only issues the hospital had been grappling with. There was also a shortage of oxygen recently.
I'm happy to say that, over the past few weeks, we have had no issue with oxygen. Our supply has been steady, and we have had a problem as it relates to that.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.